So what are we going to make today? I know, we're making an orange and banana smoothie. Now, we don't need much in the way of ingredients for this very healthy smoothie. We're going to need some honey. This is Manuka honey, very special, very good for you, very expensive. Now we're going to need 1 banana, 1.5 oranges. I'm going to use some of this special yogurt, this live yogurt. And just to top up, we need about half a glass of water. So first we go into this blender, a couple of cubes of ice, and then we can put our oranges in they go. I urge you to use fresh produce all of the time, fresh bananas, fresh oranges, and don't go for a cheap honey. I mean, it's your health that we're looking after here. So there we go. I'll let that spoon drain off a bit. Don't want to waste any. Then we go in with the yogurt. I've got about 3 tablespoonfuls, perhaps 4. There, that should do nicely. Top it up with a little drop of the water, and then we're good to go. Oh, put the lid on first, don't forget that, otherwise it'll be all over the kitchen. Now we're going to give this about 2 minutes, and after that 2 minutes gone, you'll end up with a beautiful smoothie. And here it is. Look at all that health. I'll be running around the block after this. There we go. Just made 2 glasses. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, a few shots. Can't wait to tuck in. That'll do me. So there it is, the finished product, and it's time to go down the hatch. Cheers everybody. Oh, I enjoyed going down my hatch, that's for sure. So tasty, so healthy. Manuka honey, bananas, oranges, live yogurt. You can't get healthier than that, can you? Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.